So I do have favorites, celebs I found to have interest in with nothing but good style from the beginning of their career to the ending of their career. The extra details and inspiration they have brought upon me. I would like to share my opinions and feels. It's always so much to be inspired from because it's so many cool different artists in this world. This is nothing but a fashion appreciation moment of iconic outfits, so stick around. So I'm Xia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. Welcome back to my channel, here with a fashion appreciation vlog. Like I said, it's always going to be something different. I'm all for different. Speaking of different, better yet, something unique. Her style was outstanding and showed most of her personality. She set so many trends and inspired millions across, especially me. Actually grew up listening to her music and can relate to her a lot. She's an ultimate fave, will always be a fave, the #1 Barbie, Miss Nicki Minaj. Would like to share some of her best iconic outfit looks. And I also want to say thank you for getting me to 100 subscribers. Much love. So let's go. Want to share some inspiring, remarkable outfits that are very much iconic from the beginning of her career to the ending of her career, whatever. Outfits that inspired me in so many ways. I love fashion and seeing all different types of styles, and Nicki Minaj definitely set that off with so many different trends as well. I guess that's why she's my #1 favorite. So #1, this was at the beginning of her career. She was serving looks here in a bra, panties, jacket with some chains. I think she got inspired from Lil Kim's early 2000s pose and reposed it for herself. She was really just tapping into the waters with this photo shoot. #2. This look was also at the beginning of her career when she started wearing pink in the back of her hair. I'll never forget that hairstyle. Her makeup was also slayed, wearing a leather jacket and tights, and her name brand Barbie chain. I actually used to own a Barbie chain and sadly lost it. I think about that every now and then. #3. Another iconic outfit, when the music video Bedrock released, she served so many interesting looks, looking like the Barbie that she actually is, with the pink hair, pink lipstick, pink dress. This was overall just another fun, iconic look for the most part. #4. Okay, so this look was mad wild. I love when she showed up to the VMAs with this look. It showed most of her personality, well, her other side, which is Roman. She pulled Roman Zelensky out wearing a shield bodysuit, funky tights, and fun socks and stuffed animals. This would have to be one of my favorite outfits in Miss Minaj fashion history. This was also the night of the VMAs when Tyler, the Creator, won Best New Artist Award. It was litty. #5. Another fun look with the fun stacked bun, detailed makeup and fit. This was also at the beginning of her career when she was showing so many different personalities. Why I can relate to her so much, because she's very different and always have a lot of different things going on for herself. Also, if you are enjoying this fashion appreciation vlog, press that like button. Okay. Looking grungy in her brand pink hair. This was yet another VMAs look. She had a tight tan bodysuit with also a chunky bedazzled necklace. Her personality gave the outfit more style, to be exact. #7. This has to be one of my favorite hairstyles, the Chinese bangs with the half and half, and her makeup very detailed and bright. Also wearing a cowgirl skirt and boots. This has to be another one of my favorite outfits in Miss Minaj fashion history. It was very odd and unique, but very cute in her own way. #8. This photo shoot she did reminded me of someone on acid, something like an illusion world, like Alice in Wonderland. She killed this look with a pink wig, her makeup well blended, and some fun bright colors. Miss Minaj was all about the fun bright colors. #9. Yet another one of my favorite looks, the half and half hairstyle. Here she had a blinged out corset and shorts. She looked good wearing pink blush. I love me some pink blush. I still wear pink blush when I contour my face, still to this day, but more makeup tips for me soon. Number 10, this look was very simple and ease with a bun and banging bangs, just a very dressy top. It was very simple, but looks pretty expensive, added with some bracelets and chains. Just a woman of business here. Number 11, in a pretty platinum blonde lace, long and leather gloves. Her makeup slayed and sprayed, also being bedazzled out. This was also another iconic photo shoot look. Number 12, another bomb VMAs look with much class and attitude. She served a gold look here, wearing her signature Chinese bangs. I actually love this look. The dress was very smooth and highly detailed. She came to play no games. Number 13, from the music video Throw Some Mo, she had a fur mink with some tights and heels. This fit was very simple but yet partyish and very colorful. I am all about the fun, bright colors myself. Number 14, this is when she came out with Chun-Li. She even had the Chun-Li buns. She had so many good outfit looks for the video set of Chun-Li. They were either all edgy with all black or either all red, but she killed every Chun-Li look though. Number 15, this one has to be one of my favorite looks. I love green, and she did the green hair. Just one of the best outfits in Miss Minaj fashion history. It was very simple but pressure. Her accessories made the outfit pop out even more, and baby, her shoes did the rest of the work. Number 16, love when she showed up to the VMAs with the 2 long ponytails and her makeup slayed until the next day. This outfit was actually on the runway, but Miss Minaj happened to get inspired and recreated a look of her own. Now that's what I call inspiration. Number 17, at the People's Choice Awards, Nicki Minaj spotted in a pink wavy lace wig and swinging eyeliner. Also in a long black sequins detailed blue dress. This look was very edgy but classy and very heavy on the sexy. From the music video Barbie Dreams, Nicki had so many good looks on the set. This would have to be one of my favorites. I have like 7 favorite different colors, and green, yellow, and red is one of them. She pulled this look off wearing a clear green jacket, bomb accessories, and bikini. Her lace was slayed, also with her makeup as usual. Number 19, another good look in my book. She had the all purple going on with the purple short wavy lace and a very long detailed feather bomb dress, accessorized with some bracelets and a very long black belt. Her accessories really made the outfit pop out even more once again. This was just a very good, classy look for the queen that she is. Last and lovely look, she shook so many of her fans, the whole Barbie community, with this photo shoot look. She was expecting, and here she looked good with her baby bump, bringing old Nicki Minaj vibes back with the fun, bright colors and wild fashion that stands out. I still cannot believe that she's in a loving, real marriage and got a whole family. I'm really loving that for her, and she really deserves that. So that's the best of Miss Nicki Minaj, one of my favorite rappers, always and forever. Those were some of her best iconic outfit looks through the years. It's plenty more, trust me, but those were a lovely 20 images of Miss Minaj. She's had many interesting outfit looks upcoming her career, and she will forever have that special, different touch. I still cannot believe that she's a beautiful wife and mother. I am really rooting for her. I kind of felt that she was going to release a boy, and so Booma King was born. She's going to be such a stylish mom. Nicki Minaj, in her younger career days, her style was a bit more dramatic. Through the years, she has calmed and researched more of her maturity and just finding herself. Miss Minaj is really out here looking her best. She is minding her business and also handling her business. Such a woman with class and style. I can relate to her a lot, and I'm sure a lot of you other ladies can as well. Nicki Minaj's attitude and her style was shown. She's always had a different wig and wear. I love seeing a woman with mad confidence in her style. I also know Miss Minaj's career has slowed down to live a life with loved ones behind the scenes and more. And I do respect that for her, but I do miss her a lot. She will forever and always be my favorite #1 female rap artist in the game, period. And I definitely have more than one favorite look from her. So what was your best look and why? So that's the end of this fashion vlog. Thank you for staying tuned into the best of Miss Nicki Minaj. This was nothing but a fashion appreciation moment. I will be having so many fashion appreciation moments of my favorites. So what was your best look and why? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also, if you want to be notified every time that I post, press that bell button. Mwah.